24yep.com.
People beside us.
Is that the long boy?
Yeah.
How do you spell crawl? Is there an E on the end? I go over chance.
Please subscribe.
What's up, boys? Roastin rigs. Gentlemen, as you know, it's been quite a while since we've done a roastin rigs. I've been taking a little break from it. I've had other ideas I've wanted to do. I wasn't planning on doing any more of these for a while. However, when the Asian outlaw reaches out to you about sending a truck, you take it. Today's truck was sent by this guy. Asian Outlaws. We've seen several trucks from him before. They have been extremely good looking, not complete total line slayer performance trucks, but they've all driven smoothly and have been enjoyable and have looked amazing. I think that's all I needed to say. Let's see what he sent. Dude, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I've never seen this before. This is so cool. Thank you so much. What do we have here? Gift for girlfriend. Okay, thank you. Remote, this is the Muse remote. Easy to one hand, has a little thing on it. Okay, good. Okay, this is amazing, just like his other ones. I'll just start by showing the bed because, as you can see, this is amazing. This is awesome. Dude, this is so good. All right, let me give you guys a close look, and then we'll talk about it. I think all of his builds that he's sent in so far have had handmade interiors like this. Ooh. This is the Bandito RC body. He has his own website, Bandito. I'm sure if you just Google it, you can find it. Is this all styrene in the bed? Yeah, I think it is. Wow. Man. Okay, as far as parts on this goes, this is the Coupe RC 1.3 wheels. We actually just saw these on the Partying Guy Dave truck. I think the exact same wheel face and everything. Little Guy Racing claw hammer tires. I am worried how these will do on the rocks, but they look cool. Bandito body, like I already said. Is this magneted? Yeah. Super clean underneath the body. We have the Carnage Gladiator length metal chassis. Mofo brushless motor. He has battery right here on this slider. What else we have going on here? My goodness. ESC is tucked in right here. And I don't know how, but nothing appears to be hitting anything. Muse receiver tucked in up front here. These are the Endura 39mm oil shocks, front and rear. Oh, he has two springs on the rear. Huh. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Probably aren't going to be able to see it on camera, but he has two springs on each shock here. They're just like doubled up on each other. I think that's my first time seeing that. NSD RC servo, 3 flow 9 roller steering link, tiny terrain axles, straight lower front links, double bend rear links, little diff slider here, flat skid. I think one of my favorite things about these Bandito bodies is the ease of mounting them. These sliders here with the magnets on them on each side, that he includes them with his body, and he has sliders that fit a ton of different chassis, and it just makes everything so much easier. This looks cool. Okay, sweet. Let's weigh it and then we'll go test it. Shout out Nitro College for skills. This is with the battery installed on that side slider. 60 front weight, 50-50 left and right, 40 rear weight, and 500 total. Okay, sweet.
Thank you. Should we get one out?
Well, Let's do that. And we'll just.
We'll do that at the end.
Okay. Yep.
But you're not walking away without us opening that?
Sure.
Got it. I like this one. It's got Toyota colors. It's a Toyota.
Yep. Very good. It is a Toyota.
Now, did you know that I didn't see that before?
Yeah, I think. Okay. Yeah, you knew what you were looking at.
What's this supposed?
Just a little fuel tank.
I just like the creativity, finding that little plastic tube.
Oh yeah, I agree. And then he has a little screw for
Yeah.
like the cap of it. And then all of this is styrene tubing that he made.
Nice.
Now this is the Asian Outlaw. He's sent those trucks before that have all been very good.
And this little...
Careful. Yep, the little... Okay, I'm sorry.
Is that a milk tea sticker? What is that?
I'm not sure. I can't really see it from this angle. Really
Such
really
tiny-
getting a good look, aren't you?
Well, they're so little. You have to figure out what they are. Mother said to take the children to school today.
What are you talking about?
I was trying to be Ed Gein.
Okay.
Mother said to take the truck to the mechanic.
Come on, what's the score?
I give him a 10.
Okay, 10 out of 10, I agree.
Yeah. Now we open this. Come on. People are sending you a message.
There.
Get it all the way on there. I know I have big knobby knuckles, okay? Here you go.
Asian Outlaws, thank you for that. Well, to you guys using Little Guy Racing tires, I just don't know how you do it. I have had nothing but bad luck with Little Guy Racing tires on my rocks. I understand they probably work different on different types of rocks. And I know a lot of times people tell me it's just the setup of the truck, but I don't know. I've tried several different Little Guy Racing tires on different trucks of mine, and I just haven't had the good luck. Oh. Nice, we saved it. Let's see if we can get back up that just for fun. Nice. Nice. The noise that you guys can hear is the tire tread like slightly rubbing on the body. I'm sure that's coming across loud on the camera. Final thoughts. This is going to be an easy one. Like I already said, just like the other trucks that Asian Outlaw sent in, very enjoyable, smooth, quiet. I think if I had to complain about anything, well, first of all, the tires just don't work well on my rocks, but That's okay. They work well for some people. If I was going to change anything, I think I would probably change the wheel and tire setup. I don't hate the way the wheels look. I don't even dislike the way the wheels look. I think I probably just would have went with a smaller wheel instead of a 1.3. But they don't look bad at all. They've definitely grown on me. I would definitely change the tires. The wheels, I think I'm 50-50 on. And everything else, I would probably leave the same. Also, this Muse remote that was sent with this truck, for anyone looking for a remote, I would look into this. This seemed to work really well. Maybe I should start stocking these on the store, 24yup.com. Anyways, if you're looking for a remote, this one seems good. Looks, on a scale of 1 to 10, gotta give it a 10. I love the Toyota theme. I love all the cage work in the bed, the little fuel cell, the interior, everything about the looks of this I'm into. Performance out of 10, I would say trail truck. Not a complete line slayer, but it's the perfect mix of appearance, performance. Yeah, I think that's all I got. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Asian Outlaws, as always, thank you so much for sending this. Thank you for building it. And thank you for my gifts. Very much appreciated. Sweet. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.